Welcome to Luxembourg City, a capital full of charm, contrasts, and hidden beauty. Today, join Jason, your local private guide, for a slow, personal, and authentic discovery of the city's most beautiful spots. All accessible without a ticket, we begin our tour here, on the Plateau du Saint-Esprit. From this peaceful viewpoint, you get one of the best panoramas of the lower part of the city, the Grund, and the green valley below. It's the perfect starting point to understand Luxembourg's layered history and landscape. As we move on, we pass the Eternal Flame, a quiet and powerful tribute to the soldiers who gave their lives for the country. Just ahead stands the Notre Dame Cathedral, a beautiful example of late Gothic architecture. Step inside to admire its stained glass windows and peaceful interior, a spiritual heart of the city. We then arrive at the Galifrey, or Golden Lady, standing proudly on her column. A symbol of peace and freedom, she overlooks the city with grace and strength, one of Luxembourg's most iconic landmarks. From there, we continue into the Vieillot, the upper town. Strolling along its charming streets, we arrive at Place Guillaume II, a vibrant square home to the city hall and a lively market on certain days. It's a great spot to feel the local atmosphere. Not far from here, we reach the Grand Ducal Palace, the official residence of the Grand Duke. Its elegant Renaissance facade and royal guards often attract curious visitors. I'll share a few fun facts you won't find in the guidebooks. Then we head into the Old Town, one of the city's oldest and most picturesque areas. Narrow cobbled streets, quiet corners, and historical charm await you at every turn. This is where Luxembourg's soul comes alive, calm, beautiful, and full of stories. Next, we head into the peaceful municipal park, a green oasis in the heart of the city. Here, you'll find the Pescatore building, often mistaken by tourists for the Grand Ducal Palace because of its grandeur. It's actually a historic retirement home, and a great example of the city's elegant architecture hidden in plain sight. To end our tour, we take the panoramic elevator, a modern addition that links the upper and lower parts of the city. It's a smooth ride down with a stunning glass view. And the perfect finale to your first glimpse of Luxembourg City. Thank you for joining me on this short journey. If you'd like a deeper experience, I'd love to welcome you in person for a full private walking tour, available to book directly on familytravelguide.eu. See you soon in Luxembourg.